Weather Service in Louisville has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Marion County in central Kentucky, Russell County in south central Kentucky, Taylor County in central Kentucky, Casey County in central Kentucky, Edgar County in south central Kentucky, western Lincoln County in central Kentucky, southwestern Mercer County in central Kentucky, central Clinton County in south central Kentucky, southern Greene County in central Kentucky, central Monroe County in south central Kentucky, southeastern Washington County in central Kentucky, Boyle County in central Kentucky, Cumberland County in south central Kentucky, eastern Barron County in south central Kentucky, Metcalfe County in south central Kentucky until 3:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time or 2:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time, and 2:31 p.m. Daylight Time or 1:31 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Bardstown to 11 miles northwest of Campbellsville, 7 miles west of Greensburg to 10 miles east of Brownsville, moving southeast at 50 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-sized hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Liberty, Danville, Glasgow, Campbellsville, Lebanon, Columbia, Stanford, Tompkinsville, Greensburg, and Albany. Torrential rainfall is occurring with these storms and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through the roadways. The National Weather Service in Louisville has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for eastern Spencer County in central Kentucky, northeastern Nelson County in central Kentucky, Mercer County in central Kentucky, southwestern Woodford County in central Kentucky, southern Anderson County in central Kentucky, northeastern Washington County in central Kentucky until 3 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 2:33 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Taylorsville, moving east at 25 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Harrodsburg, Taylorsville, Ballard, Bergen, Bloomfield, Wilkesburg, Wayside, Douglasville, Anderson City, and Glensboro. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. The National Weather Service in Louisville has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Nelson County in central Greene County in central Kentucky, Lower County in central Kentucky,